If you are looking to start vending machine business but you don't know the best idea to pursue, you've come to the right place. However, unlike other videos available on the same topic, in this video you can find best vending machine business ideas, the best location to place a vending machine, and we will tell you the important points that will make you progress in this business. Soda and beverages. The best-selling products from vending machines are without a doubt soda and cold drinks such as Coca-Cola, water, Sprite, and energy drinks. Now, best locations are shopping malls, train station, near office spaces, stadiums, and hospitals. Candies and sweets. Candies and sweets are some of the top-selling vending machines products. Their advantage is that these products have quite a long shelf life. They are small size so you can fit a lot of them in the machine. Best locations, city centers and shopping malls. Chocolate bars. Some of the best vending machine business ideas are demand machines that offer many different products from a certain category. Best locations, every crowded place, metro station and train stations. Nuts vending machine. Nuts are another of the most profitable vending machine business ideas. By selling nuts, you can count on a large profit margin. Best locations, schools, university office spaces, and nearly every crowded places. Soups vending machine. Although it may seem unbelievable, soups are one of the best products that can be sold in a vending machines. Best locations, train stations, airports, hospitals, and nearly all of the most crowded places. Number 6. Yogurt. Another good idea for a vending machine business is a machine with a variety of the most popular yogurts. Best locations, metro stations, bus stations, train stations, shopping malls, schools, and offices. Number 7. Car accessories. A vending machine is a great device for selling a certain small group of thematically related items, and selling car accessories is a great idea to start. Best locations, car washes, gas stations, and parking lots. Number 8. Skincare products vending machine. Skincare is another important part of beauty and health. Many skincare products are ideally suited for sale in a vending machine. Best locations, near beaches, near grocery stores and supermarkets, city centers, metro and train stations. Now let's go to the important points for starting a vending machine business. First, location is much more important than the product you are selling. Choosing the right products. Buy a machine from a reliable and high quality brand. I highly recommend you to save or like this video, because when you build your own vending machine business, write your beautiful opinions about this business in the comment section of this video. Stay healthy and wealthy.